In this video, we are going to learn regarding AlphaEarth Google DeepMind dataset. So, just you need to write down like a. So over there, let's check at first. So this is the satellite embedding. Just right over there, you can find. Just click on that thing. You will find each and everything. So dataset availability is from 2017. And you need to copy these things over there from collection snippet, and this is the description regarding dataset, uh, and the resolution is 10 meter. So if you want to check, then I have uploaded one video in my YouTube channel regarding this AlphaEarth embedded dataset. So let's check. So you can find over there, just go video section, or maybe go down. It's loading. So this is the video. So this is the video AlphaEarth satellite embedding dataset. So if you want to know regarding this dataset, you may visit. And the resolution is 10 meter, and then there is a 64 dimensional representation. Okay, each and everything is over there, or 64 band is over there from A002 to A63. Okay, and the collection is composed of images covering approximately 1,63,840 meters by meters. So this is the things. And then if you want to know regarding band, then you have to visit this band section. Resolution is 10 meter, and name like A0 band, minimum and maximum, and unit is something like that. And image properties is over there, and term to uses and citation. If you use this data, then you have to cite this thing, this one. So over there is in code. So I am going to visualize this data for Banaras region. Okay, so I have an shape file that I have already uploaded in my asset section in Google Earth Engine. So I imported this shape file over here. So if you have no shape file and know your study area, then you can use these things. Okay, like a FAO data. Like if you want to convert, just click convert section, and this is the district side. Okay, and click over there, you will find each and everything. Okay, this is the dataset ability from 2014. Okay, this is the collection snippet and feature view snippet, table scheme if you want to be table, and time to use and features view over there. Okay, so so let's if you want to, like if I am Banaras. Okay, so it will, because I have already another name, so maybe one. So I have another shape file which I have already uploaded, and then just simply don't need this one. Okay, so don't need this one, or if you need, then just simply click over there and change the name. And then just if you want to display the data or your study area, just need to map.add layer Banaras, something like that, and need to import over there. Click on that thing, just you have to copy collection snippet from over there. Okay, and then paste it over there, and which year you want to visualize the data. So in my case, I am going to visualize 2023, and then the full year. Extract embedding images for selected year, like a filter date. Year will be started from January 01 to 01 year, end will be 0101. And bound, my bound area is Banaras. Bound means it's been basically talking about my study area. Okay, so that is why these things. And then just clip the study area, dot clip Banaras. For clipping purpose, in Google Earth Engine you need to write dot clip. Okay, and then print. And then for visualization purposes, so in my case, I'm using A01, A16 or A09 band. So if you want to know the band, then click over there. This is the band set. Look at that. This is the band name. Okay, whatever you want. So in my case, I am using 01, 16 and 09. So then you have to add this layer for visualization purpose. And then if you want to export this map for your research purpose or any other purpose, then you need to export these things. So for export any data from Google Earth Engine to your drive, so just simply write down the code export dot image dot to drive, and image is embedding, so this one is the images, and description is AlphaEarth Banaras, and file name prefix and region is in my case Banaras. Okay, and scale is 10 meter. Why 10 meter? Just click over there, and band, the resolution is 10 meter. If you want to change the resolution for exporting purpose, then you can change it, maybe 100 meter, but the actual resolution of this data is 10 meter. Okay, uh, for few cases, if my study area or your study area is very weak, then you need, if you want to export very weak area data on 10 meter resolution, then it will take more time, as well as maybe it can be failed. So that is why, as far as your need, you can change, increase or decrease the scale sizes. Okay, and max pixel 1e13. Okay, then just simply run. So at first just visualize these three band data, then we can change the band. So over there, the first one is the Varanasi region, Banaras region. So actually I have in the first section I have basically add my study area layer. Okay, so if you just run, then you will see only for embedding dataset visualization. So this is the visualization. So if you want to visualize your study area map, then you can visualize. So in my case, I'm going to visualize. So this is the basically satellite embedding data set for uh, Google satellite embedding data set is a global or analyze ready collection for launch geospatial embedding, 10 meter resolution and 64 dimensional data set, which I have visualized using this code. I will share the code in the video description link, and let's change the band size. Okay, maybe it 63, 43 and 23. So don't need this one. Look at that. So if you change the band, then visualization of your study area will be changed. Okay, so if you want to change the color, then you can change. Okay, so in my case, I'm not going to change the color or add the color over there. So if I zoom, So this is the holy river Ganga, which is flow uh, near Banaras. So this is the water. So if you gone through the images, then you can see this color is showing basically water. So if I am moving, so zoom, in case I zoom, this is the river. So this pixel is showing basically river. Okay, and others red pixel over there is showing basically urban area. So over there is a university. It's a Banaras Hindu University. So over there this building is also showing university building. Okay, so the green portion is over there. Okay, and if you want to change, let's off this layer and change the band, maybe 3, 5, or maybe this one 50. Okay, then run again. Look at that, the color is also changing. So this portion is basically building or main urban area or main urban expansion of Banaras city. So if I zoom, so clearly you can clearly see the visualization. Okay, and this time visualization is much better than the previous visualization. You can see the exact building. Okay, just if I look at that, this is the building, or this is the Banaras Hindu University. So this is Banaras Hindu University, and this thing, look at that, so exact visualization. So if I go satellite version, so if I on these things, look at that. So this pixel is basically showing the building. Okay, which pixel is nearly eggplant color. Okay, so nearly eggplant color is showing basically building, and this portion is like a reddish color, is showing basically field. So if I zoom over there, you can see the field, and the building pixel is nearly eggplant color. So I forgot the exact name of this color, so that is why I'm using eggplant color. So basically building is showing nearly this color, blue color. Sorry, this is the blue color, and this is the reddish color. Okay, so if I moving toward a river, near river, then you can see the water pixel, and the visualization is nearly 3D perspective. Okay, so let's let's change the, so you can see the main city area over there. This is the main city area. So if I zoom clearly and just on this color, you will see the green pixel, sorry, blue pixel over there. Okay, so if I change, suppose I'm going to use another band like a sorry, 29, 35, or 57 maybe. So let's see what happened. Look at that, the pixel color is also changing. Okay, so over there you will see it's nearly like a natural color. Okay, we can see in the Landsat images, natural color composite images, so look like, not exactly but look like. So this this is basically a road. Okay, and if I am moving toward the main city area, then you can see the pixel building city area pixel. Okay, so let's move toward university. So look at that. The field is, this is the actual thing. Okay, how this this portion is the Banaras Hindu University field playground. Okay, this portion. So it's exactly showing in this data set in a green pixel. Okay, so look at that. So if I move satellite version and just off this layer, look at that. This is the playground 1, playground 2, playground 3. So if I on this one, so you can see this is the green pixel. So green pixel in that uh, the band combination is 29, 35, 57. The green pixel is showing field area. And so if I move this off this layer and visualize the building area. Okay, so this is the building. So if I checked over there, you can see. Okay, so this pixel is showing basically building area. Okay, and if I'm moving toward like a water, so water is a nearly blue color. Okay, so blue color is showing basically water area in this composite. Okay, 29, 35 and 57. So if I am changing another like a 17 or 21 or 41 maybe. Okay, just run. Look at that. The totally is changing. So you can change as far as your need, like a 11, 62 or like a, sorry, 34. Sorry, and done a mistake out there, 61. The pixel color is also changing. Okay, so you can change as far as your need, or if you have any question regarding this tutorial, then you may ask a question. So I will share the code, run this code. Maybe if you want to, then you can run this code for your study area and export as per as your need. So thank you very much. So